Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Ashley Camber with Experiments in Imperfection, where I invite you into my life space. Today we are in my master closet and I'm so excited to show you some of my favorite finds on Amazon. Are you ready? I know you came for the goods. Let's go. Why do I do why? This video is all about my closet organization goodies available on Amazon. I've compiled my favorite closet products to help make your Amazon wish list complete. I'd love it if any orders are initiated directly from my links, as that helps me grow my online business. If you didn't know, even clicking on the links tells Amazon I'm still an online influencer, for lack of another term. It doesn't impact the cost of your purchase, so it's just kind of a nice way of thanking me for helping you put together your list. In the description, you'll find that I've broken this down into categories in case you're looking for just shoe organization, for example. Without further ado, let's get shopping. This hanging handbag organizer is ideal if you're looking for a dust-proof space saver, because this is going to keep your handbags clean and your closet tidy. With 6 breathable pockets, this 360 rotatable, multi-purpose organizer suits many purposes. Besides using handbags, you can also put shoes, scarves, and so many other things that will be better vertically displayed. These anti-slip padded hangers are space-saving magic for sure. They are heavy-duty, so you can certainly use them for coats, suits, shirts, sweaters, delicate dresses, you name it. It will keep the clothing wrinkle-free and it will not scratch or tear the shoulders or the edges of the clothing. It just works wonders. These 5 layers can hang vertically or horizontally, however you prefer. And I'd be remiss if I did not point out that you can remove the hangers from this. And I love that it's another product with those swivel metal hooks. A fun option is using this for your outfits of the week, and having everything set out for the entire week will save you a lot of time. Here in Kansas City, there is a boutique I love called Urban Sunflower. And when I was in there, I fell for their hangers and I asked the owner where she got them. She said, Amazon. I was like, what? I mean, you could hear in her voice that she was as shocked as I was that she was able to find something so cool like this on Amazon for a great price. At this point, I suppose none of us should be shocked, but still, it's always nice to be delighted. If you are into blush pink, you will love the color blush pink / rose. That is the velvet material. And then there are copper, or in my opinion, rose gold hooks. Those are also swivel hooks. You gotta love these 360-degree rotating hooks, am I right? Okay, continuing on with the rose gold kick and the velvet hangers with the 360-degree swivel hook and sturdy construction, non-slip surface. Let's take a look at these pant hangers. As far as the rose gold adjustable metal clips, these are premium with no concerns when you slide them along the bar to fit the sizes of different clothes. One way to make your closet feel like a boutique is to have a hanger stacker that you can use to keep your unused hangers from becoming tangled. You can save closet rod space with those unused hangers, and you have a place to put the hangers you have discarded, if you will, yet have an eco-friendly option to grab them at the ready for another family member. Moving away from hanging storage, this next one is super exciting for me to share because I'm so impressed by this Kickstarter campaign that was tremendously successful. You'll be as impressed as I am with the duo that came up with this when you see the results. These interlocking dividers keep your piles of clothes or papers organized. Pull any item from the middle, stack your files, or spread out. I ordered the 20-pack in size small, and I think it's a great place to start if you're just wanting to test these out at first. You'll find mixed reviews online, but oh my, does this look so good when you get it right. It's all about that fold, baby. Continuing with hanging things, we have self-adhesive hooks, and these are beautiful because they have a natural look to them. They look like a handmade wooden peg, and they're just, I don't know, aesthetically pleasing, yet modern, yet could come off kind of earthy. There's vast appeal here, guys. Closing in on the last 3 here, we have a handheld portable travel garment steamer. This mini size steamer is great for any fabrics. It has the newest 360-degree anti-spill technology, and it is considered the world's superior steamer. I would say the ones who can vouch for this are the 21,600 people who submitted ratings just to show how pleased they are. Sometimes acrylic storage is the way to go to have that glam look and be able to see your items on display. I love this sunglasses organizer, and it makes me so happy. I was lucky that it fit the exact measurements for my shelf space, and it makes me feel like I'm in a store when I go to grab my sunnies on the way out the door. It may seem kind of like a wild card, but I really like these clear acrylic sandal display stands. These are inserts for your shoes that you just kind of need to keep structure in them a little bit, or perhaps you are displaying them. For me, it was a bit of both. And I got by with just these 10 pieces or 5 pairs, though I may consider getting one more set. If you liked this list, I'd love to have you subscribe so you can make sure to catch the next one. What's in the next one? Well, when it comes to part 2 of this Amazon wish list, I'm digging the pieces that give my master closet its ambiance, some of the bejeweling I've done in order to amp up the glam factor, and I'll have a few storage solutions that include ideas for keeping the air fresher. Now that you've watched this, what are you planning on taking into your life space? Is it soft? What do you think? Tell us below.
For me, a successful day starts with God. How do you start your day?
Paintbrush.
Nice.
I'm very excited.
If you like it, subscribe and stay tuned. No, seriously. Thanks for watching. XO, Ashley Camber.